Hi guys, I start to do the second tutorial on MS Word. In this tutorial, I am going to show you all how to about text basics, working with text. We will open a new document, and after that we will see how to insert text. Like this, we should select the place where we need to insert the text, like this, and after that here you can see the insertion point. That's the insertion point, and we will see we can type the text we need. Here I am writing tutorial 2. To delete text, you should place the insertion point next to the text you wish to delete. That means like here we should keep here, and after that press the backspace, then it's deleting. And after that, if you need to delete it fastly, I will show another way also. We should write tutorial. We are giving a name, and after that click on you should go take the insertion point to the right side, and after that click on delete till the whole text is deleting. To select the text, we should do I wrote again, click the mouse, and while holding it you should drag your mouse over to the text which you need to select, like this, and after that a highlighted box is appearing. Then here you can see some editings which you can do. When you select the hover toolbar is coming, this is called the hover toolbar. To copy and paste text, you need to do select the text, and after that in here click copy, and should go to somewhere, and after that here paste. Here it has been pasted. Okay, another easy way is there. You can select the text, after that Ctrl C, after that go to the place needed, after that click on Ctrl V. Okay. Next we will see to cut and paste the text. Select the text you need, and after that click the cut command on the home tab. Here you can see. After that you can go to the place where we need to appear it. After that click on paste command, like this. Here it has come. Okay, next we will show to drag and drop text. Select the text which you need. I will write, this is the second tutorial of MS Word. Okay, now I need to choose this second tutorial. You should select that, and after that click and drag the text here, like this. You can see that's dragging. Again, if you need, again we can take it here, like this. Here I can take to any place, and next I will show how to find text. Okay, here you can see this is the second tutorial of MS Word. That's the text I have typed. Now I am in the home tab. You can see in editing section, find. You should click on it, and here you should type a word which you think it is typed. Okay, now I am typing tutorial. Here you can see this is the second tutorial is highlighted here, like that. You can find text also. Okay, next I will show the next one is you should I'm talking about to replace text. To do that, from the home tab, click the replace command, and here find what tutorial and click on find text, and after that click on here. Then I'm writing second, replace with first. Okay, we will refresh. Here it changed to first tutorial. Like that we can replace that very easily. For today I'm doing only this. In the next tutorial I will talk about formatting text. I hope you stay safe. We will meet from another video like this with editing and formatting text.